Hi, this is Oscar Truin from the Home Rehab Network, partnering with My Health Teams today to provide you with some tips to help with your breathing. Please feel free to ask questions in the comment section beneath this video and we'll answer them. In this section, we're going to go over a cooking recipe that helps promote good breathing. Let's go ahead and take a look.
And our main course is called chicken with cranberry pear chutney. Now, if you wear oxygen, obviously you should never use any open flames or any petroleum-based products for that reason if you're wearing oxygen. So we are going to cook a gluten-free diet that is great for people that have COPD with only 253 calories, 5 grams of total fat, high protein, and 3 grams of fiber. But be careful, this dinner might actually take your breath away, but in a good way. What you'll need is a 1/4 cup of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of packed light brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, a pinch of ground cloves, and 4 chicken breast cutlets, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of canola oil, 1 ripe pear peeled and chopped, and 1 cup of cranberries. So you're going to whisk together the chicken broth, the brown sugar, vinegar, orange juice, cinnamon, ginger, cloves in a small bowl and set it to the side for now. And then you're going to sprinkle the cutlets with salt and pepper, heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and add the chicken breast and cook until thorough, which is usually about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, and then transfer it to a plate and keep warm. And then you're going to add chopped pears, cranberries, and broth mixture to the same skillet, bring it to a boil, and simmer. Uncover until berries begin to pop and chutney thickens, which takes about 5 minutes. And now you're done.
If you have any questions or like to take part of other future education videos with me right here on My Health Teams, please log in and comment on this article on My Health Teams. I'll see you later.